New impact crater one of my viewers made have legitimately found a previously undiscovered impact crater within the vast desert of Saudi Arabia. The name of this viewer is Abdul Rahman Tunsi, who you might remember from a video published 2 years ago, where he also found clear-cut evidence of another undiscovered impact crater. That prior impact crater he called Tunsi crater, which was located approximately 210 kilometers south-southeast of the city of Medina and measured 15 kilometers wide. Upon exploring the region, he found plenty of evidence of this circular feature. Carved into the boundary of two volcanic fields was caused by an asteroid impact. Due to the discovery of suevite and shocked quartz there. Well, since his initial discovery, he has decided to seek out and analyze inner lab samples from other suspiciously circular-looking features to determine if they have a similar origin. In the 2 years since, he has analyzed more than 30 separate locations without having any luck, as the vast majority of circular features were related to volcanism. Dome anticlines were just pure coincidence or marked salt domes. That was until he decided to analyze another circular feature that happened to be situated between two already known buried impact craters, approximately 67 kilometers southwest of the town of Megawa. Zooming in, Al-Hawi crater, we can already see several layers of suspiciously circular rock formations. After performing on the ground fieldwork within this structure and collecting various evidence, he determined that this was indeed an impact crater, which he named Al-Hawi crater, after the name of a nearby seasonal lake and mining area to the south. Here is a quick series of photos from the interior of this largely buried and highly eroded impact crater. Al-Hawi crater measures either 3.5 or 6.5 kilometer wide based on the current interpretation. Appears to be a complex impact structure with a central peak region of exposed younger rock units and likely formed between 10 and 30 million years ago. The reason A. Tunsi suggests two possible figures for this structure's diameter is that while there are currently exposed rock units in a 3.5 kilometer wide region that are presumably impact in origin, he also found scattered portions of a likely secondary ring containing monomic breccia in a circular region 6 or 5 kilometers wide. For reference, monomic breccia Breccia describes a rock type with abundant angular fragments that all originated from the same source rock. In this case, it is used to describe the type of rock instantaneously created when a large impactor strikes bedrock. During fieldwork, scattered fragments of suevite were also found. Suevite is also a type of breccia, but it contains glassy fragments. Suevite